Hello once again everyone. So today po we will be doing another fragrance review. Ayan. So ang i-review po natin ngayon is again a local niche brand and this is called Sense and Style. No, ang meron po ako dito ay yung kanilang Gavin. So, kamusta po ba si Gavin at kamusta po ba ang Sense and Style overall? So stay tuned po. Ayun guys, no, so again ang gagawin po natin ng review is a local brand or local house called Sense and Style at ang meron po ko dito ay yung kanilang Gavin. Ayan, no, so mamaya no ilalagay natin in detail yung presentation. Anyway, no, siguro bigyan ko po kayo ng konting background or history and goal ng Sense and Style na nakasulat din po dito sa card na to, no, para po sa mga naka-purchase na from this local house, no. So nandito po lahat yon, no, the notes and everything else. So anyway, sino po ba ang Sense and Style? So nakasulat po dito, Sense and Style is an artisan perfume brand that is locally made in the Philippines. Of course, Sense and Style aims to create a community that will help, no, one another, napakaganda, to thrive in our common entrepreneurial pursuit and aspiration that will bridge the gap of poverty and shall provide an equal opportunity and access to a better and successful future. So as you can see here guys, no, hindi lang po siya nagki-cater sa frag community, no, but meron po silang mga hini-help na mga groups, no. So mamaya po ay we will add, no, kumbaga doon po sa details na yun ng kanilang goals, no. So again, no, hindi lang po siya smelling good, no, kumbaga hindi lang po siya pagbibigay ng perfumes or pag-transact about perfumes, pero po may end goal sila that is that is targeted, no, or that is helpful sa community. So anyway, let me continue. So in terms of their way of giving back, no, doon sa community na sinasabi ko kanina, they said na your purchase supports various initiatives that we dearly advocate for as a business organization and as individual entrepreneurs. We hope that our micro efforts will yield a macro impact to our community. We believe that we can achieve this #1 cent at a time. So, dito po sa kanilang parang business card, no, meron po silang mga organizations or communities na hinhelp. So, Green Cent is a program supporting sustainable business practices. Love Cent, no, may mga hashtag po yan, aims to aid our fellow kababayans. So, ilalagay din po natin somewhere here. And Fur Scent is an advocacy to support our displaced fur babies who need love, care, and support. Tapos, okay, no, so in general, this is a help sa community. No, napakaganda lang, no, I have to read that, no, I have to give siguro part, no, sa review na to doon sa kanilang advocacy, kasi I personally believe, no, na may end goal tayo lagi sa ating passion, sa frag game, and this is a noble, no, noble na aspiration, no, napakaganda yung kanilang goal. So anyway, gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung bottle presentation, box and bottle presentation. Wala po akong ibang masabi. Nung nakita ko po ito, isa lang naisip kong word, premium, no. Bakit premium? So ito po yung kanilang unopened pa, no. So as you can see here, no, the ribbon, no, may Sense and Style. Tapos ito po yung kanilang box, no. Napakasimple lang. This is Dion, no, pero yung akin pong binuksan ay yung Gavin, no. So yan po yung box niya, no, of course with the ribbon and all. Tapos ganito po yung sa loob, no. Gusto ko lang po makita natin. So simple lang, no, pero it feels premium, no. Of course para siyang mga designer houses, no, or even niche, no, na makita nyo po na may mga houses kasi na they take their time, no, hindi lang po sa scent profile, pero for me personally, siguro maarte lang ako, no, pero para sa akin big deal pag okay din yung box and the bottle presentation. So anyway, yan guys, no, yan yung kanyang box, no, elegant, no, simple pero elegante. Tapos again, nandito po sa card na to yung mga binasa ko kanina. So ilalagay din po natin somewhere here, no, lalo po yung mga communities na kanila pong in-help. And guys, ito po yung bottle presentation, no, grabe, no, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo guys. So the name of the perfume, the name of the house, the concentration, okay, no, so makapal po ito, no, this is really premium, no, it feels like I am holding a designer brand, no, or a perfume na talagang mamahalin, no, so napaka premium, napaka kapal, no, yung feels niya, mabigat po ito, no, of course the cap, no, ito magaan lang, pero the overall feels nito pong bottle and the box ay premium po talaga. So this is amazing, no. So anyway, ayan po yung kanyang box and bottle presentation. And kamusta naman po yung kanyang scent profile, no, ano ba yung accords, ano ba yung notes, nakalagay din po yan dito, pero syempre babasahin natin sa perfume accords. Of course, this is ambery, woody, fruity, aromatic, ozonic, aquatic, soft, spicy. Ilalagay po natin lahat yan dito. And some of the perfume notes na nakalagay dito ay blackcurrant, cedarwood, lily of the valley, coriander, amber, and guaiac wood. No, so basically yun yung kanyang notes, no, pero how does it smell? Ano ba yung scent profile na nakukuha ko dito? Definitely, this is a modern take of a fougere or fougere na perfume, no? Yun yung kanyang olfactive family, fougere siya. Soft spicy siya, pero may sweetness. Prominent yung coriander, no, yung warm, spicy and nutty facets ng coriander, and the woody notes, no. Definitely you will detect that, no. And if there is a perfume, of course, no, they are in no way an inspired perfume, no, dahil sinabi natin kanina, this is an artisan perfume, so this is their own creation. Of course, siguro they took inspiration from different frags, pero basically this is an artisan perfume. Pero it immediately reminded me of Calvin Klein's Eternity, no. Calvin Klein's Eternity, isa po ito sa nagkaroon ako ng backup bottle, no, years ago, no. So kumbaga, kilala ko yung scent profile ng Eternity. With that po, no, yung effect po ng Gavin, yung effect po nito, for me personally, this is the same sa ginagawa ng CK Eternity, no. Something na you could wear sa parehong mainit at malamig. In other words, versatile po itong si Gavin, no. Ito po yung napansin ko kasi nung kausap ko si Sir Ryan Rayos, no, mamaya again lalagay natin yung link nila below, no. Sa mainit, no, kasi may tanong siya sa akin, kamusta ba yung effect niya sa mainit tapos sa malamig. Most of you know na I'm from Baguio, so siguro I can observe siya sa mainit na Baguio at sa malamig talaga. So para sa akin, sa mainit, mas detectable yung kanyang aquatic and ozonic accords, no. So you could detect yung fresh aromatic, no, mabango siya talaga, no, pa okay na okay siya, and something you could wear as a fresh perfume, kumbaga, no. Yun yung kanyang effect sa mainit. Pero sa malamig, mas gusto ko siya personally kasi mas naka-highlight yung kanyang fruity notes, no, yung fruity facets. Wala naman talaga siyang direct na fruity notes, pero may fruity accords siya, no, may fruity effect siya. at yung kanyang woody accords, no. No wonder pag ito po gagamitin mo siya mainit, no, at hindi siya fit sa skin chemistry mo, medyo cloying siya, no. So anyway, my point is you could wear this sa mainit at sa malamig. I could imagine this na sinusuot ko sa mga casual days, no, or kung lalabas ako kasama ang friends or family. Ito po ay mas appealing na scent, no. Ito pong Gavin, no, or in other words, ito po easy to wear, no. At kamusta ba yung performance niya? Para po sa akin, decent performance overall, no. For those of you that have tried CK Eternity, hindi naman po talaga yung beast eh. Okay po siya, no. Hindi siya beast. Yung kanyang performance overall decent, no. Average sa longevity siguro 5-6 hours, no. And definitely meron kang scent bubble, no. So again, no, hindi siya beast, pero okay na rin siya, no. And yun, no, overall for me, okay na ako dito. If I am looking for a perfume na effect ay parang CK Eternity, no, something na I could wear every day, something na pwede kong gamitin na siguro hindi siya offensive lalo sa friends or family, this is one of those na I could recommend, no. And ito pong Dion, no, ito pong Dion nila, may of course may iba pa magre-review nito na kakilala ko, pero basically this is fresh din, no. Para siyang CK1 na may Vulgari Extreme. So anyway, we will save that up for other videos, no. So overall, the house is okay for me personally, no. I love the presentation, like what I've said, no. At gusto ko yung goal nila, no. The scent profile, again, no, this is a mass pleasing na perfume. Siguro kung magkakaroon ako ng any suggestions or something na pwede kong ma-encourage yung brand with, no. Para po sa akin, no, for Sense and Style, no, siguro one suggestion that I have is try po to explore other scent profiles, no. Of course, I know na ang pinaka-target po ninyo ay ang masa, no, yung mga naghahanap ng easy to wear kumbaga na perfumes, pero with the competition, no, lalo in our local brands, no, siguro one of the things that I could give us a suggestion siguro, no, is try to explore different scent profiles, no. At maganda yun, sir, no, nakita ko po last time sa FragCon, kayo po ay nakapunta sa FragCon, no. I believe na naka-smell po kayo ng iba pang mga scent profile. So anyway, yun lang po yung sa akin, no. This is a recommendable, no, na house, no. Let us support local, no. Marami po tayong nire-review na local brands, inspired perfumes po, no. And this is siguro a call for the Frag community na i-support din po natin yung ating local brands, no. So yun lang, again, no, we will put all the links and everything else sa description box, and let us know, support local. Paulit-ulit ko na sinasabi. And if you find this video helpful and interesting, please do consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo.